All right, everybody, totally buenos dias. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we're in Jaco. Jaco, big party town. We're going to be doing a little walkie-talkie tour here. Maybe a drone flight too if the clouds don't start pouring on us here. That'd be nice. We're going to walk up to the beach in this video. We'll do a quick walk down this way towards the south of the beach. This is like the main part of town here. This is the center of town. Lots of restaurants, lots of shops here, all kinds of stuff you can check out on your vacation in Jaco. If this is your first time joining, be sure to hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Hit like on the video. Leave us a comment as always with your questions, feedback, requests. Anything you know about Jaco, anything you want to see in this area, I can try to stop through when I am on my way through here on my travels in Costa Rica. But before we begin walking, let's talk about how to get here from the SJO airport. So as you can see here, Jaco is in Puntarenas province of Costa Rica. That's in the southwest part of the country on the Pacific coast. To get there from the international airport, you'll land at SJO, get your rental car, airport transfer, taxi. You could also take a bus to Jaco, and you'll start heading out towards the west. The shortest route here will take you along a paid toll highway. When you reach Orotina there, you're going to start to turn south. And the road is very good condition. It's all paved all the way along. You will reach the Crocodile Bridge where you can stop and walk out across the bridge and take a look at the crocodiles down below and continue on a short drive, still paved, before you actually roll into Jaco itself. There are a few entrances to Jaco, starting from the north and heading towards the south. The main entrance, where we start this walking tour, is about in the middle of town. All right, cool. And that'll bring you right to this intersection right here in the downtown part of town. Again, right up that way is the main highway. There's Vindy. Vindy, they got coffee, man. They got coffee. I like Vindy. They got a little grocery store in there too with some fruits. So I think what we'll do is, yeah, we're going to walk this way today. Go check out what's going on. It's August right now, August. So kind of like low season. Not looking too quiet though. Looking pretty busy here. You know, lots of people out. Not as many as I've often seen. There's a shop right there. It's cool. Oh, local art, handcrafted. Oh, the green room. Yeah, that's like a restaurant, the green room. I haven't been in there though. That's cool. Hola, bro. ¿Cómo está? All good. All good? What's this place? The green room?
The green room.
You work here?
Yeah, but also we have a local art.
Yeah, yeah.
We also sell art here.
You want me to walk through?
Yeah.
For YouTube, brother? What's your name?
Ellen, nice to
Ellen.
meet you.
What is it?
Ellen.
Ellen. Nice to meet you. I'm Josh.
Josh, nice to
Yeah, so just walk through here?
Yeah.
Cool, brother. Appreciate it.
This is a local art store.
Yeah.
This is a collective, art collective.
Yeah, yeah.
Different artists from Costa Rica. And
Cool, cool. Awesome. Appreciate it. And this is a restaurant too, right?
Yeah.
Green room? Awesome, man. Thanks. There you go, guys. Let's check it out. That's what I like. You never know how the videos are going to go here. Oh, that's cool. I like that one. This is me right here, for sure. I cry a lot, yeah. Oh, those are pretty cool, like abstract. I like them. There's more information here. Here, I'll kind of linger there for a moment. You can pause the video. Wow, cool. Oh, this is all local art. Sketchbooks, stickers. This stuff would look cool on a tattoo, I think. Nice. Can I go back here? I'm gonna try it. That's a nice shirt. That's like a Miami Vice kind of vibe. What's back here? I don't know what's going on. Oh, and this must be the restaurant. Oh, okay, cool, cool. That's very nice. Oh yeah, okay. Very cool. Awesome. I like it, guys. I like it. I like friendly people when they call out, want to show their stuff on video. Oh, there's some more of those shirts. Cool. Gracias, brother. Appreciate it. Take it easy. Nice to meet you. Guys, so here's another souvenir shop. So the restaurant, yeah, is just back through there. Maybe what we'll do is walk a couple more blocks here. Guys, what I'm going to do is put on screen a link for the Amazon store. You can find these water shoes that I'm using right now in the Amazon store. You can scan it with your phone and browse Amazon while you're watching the video. A lot of the stuff I use, including the drone I'm going to be flying, the camera I'm filming on right now, the chair that I have strapped to my back, I have it on Amazon. It's a really good chair. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys when we get down to the beach. So I've been sick of sitting on tree stumps, getting ants crawling up my crack. So here's one entrance to the beach. Actually, I don't know if that's an entrance. I'm looking down there. I don't walk down there very often. Oh, Coca, yeah, I think you can get down there. Coca is a hotel. If you're looking for love, that's where you'll head. That's what I'm here in Jacó doing, looking for love. You know, will love find me, or will I have to find it? So right down there, guys, there's a really good like dollar store, I would call it. Here, I'll zoom in. It's down that alleyway right at the end. It's like a dollar store down there. It's huge, and they got really good prices if you need something in a pinch. I often go down there because the gyms in Jacó frequently require you to have your own towel, and I never remember a towel. So I'll often go down to that little corner store there and grab a towel for like a couple bucks. There's Icono, like department store. Guys, I've been driving all day, so my words aren't kind of like coming out right now, per se. Words aren't coming out. I actually didn't get a coffee because I see the rain kind of setting in a little bit here. So I kind of want to get down to the beach, get the drone up, and see if we can see anybody surfing. That would be cool. Hey, look at that. Nice. That's all the love I'm going to find, a mannequin. Not into that yet. I mean, I'm not desperate. And luckily, guys, I'm not going to cross the road today. I got a comment about crossing the road in Jacó. You know, I was making a joke about a video game. I think it's called like Crossroad, No Get Hit by Car. Apparently I was saying it too much. I don't know. Sometimes I lose track of what I'm saying because I'm just kind of I'm wandering around, right? I'm a wanderlust. There's music. So they have coffee. Guys, on the basis of coffee, on the topic of coffee, the funniest thing, I made a video out front of the Liberia International Airport. There was a Starbucks there, among other shops. There was like a local souvenir shop, local restaurant, stuff like that. But I showed the Starbucks in this video. And on TikTok, people lost their minds that there would dare to be a Starbucks in Costa Rica. So now I'm just like saying, like, and when people lose their minds on social media, it's like more engagement, right? It's more comments. So I'm like, now I'm just saying Starbucks in every video. I don't even go to Starbucks. So it'll be like our little secret. For the subs on YouTube, it'll be our little secret. What's going on down here? This is like a hotel, I don't know. What's this place? So up over there, there's another condo. Oh, that's the Coca Hotel. Yeah, I went in there one time. I was with a friend and he went for a drink. I don't drink alcohol, so like places like Jacó don't really. Actually, I don't know what this is. Oh, poolside bar. That's pretty cool. Yeah, and there was just these ladies that like, I guess I'm really good looking or something. I don't know. They were just kind of like soliciting me at the Coca right there. I was like, I mean, no, but hey, I still got it. That's what I said. I don't know what's going on down here. It's been a while since I've been down this road. I don't even know if I come down this road. This is a beach access. Cool graffiti. That's like a, I don't know, Tika princess or something. A generalized depiction of the love I'll find that isn't a mannequin. A real person. Looks like there's some more restaurants down here. Oh yeah, there's a restaurant. They got swings. Oh, cool. I like swings. Good for my back. And there's a market. Okay, that's good. Market, guys. You can see see how much alcohol is sold here. I can see the ocean too from here. It's going crazy. It's going hammed out down there. Look at all the alcohol you can get. Hennessy. I used to drink a lot of vodka. I don't drink anymore. But you know, it's interesting all the stuff you can get. I don't know much about it anymore. I forgot it. Where's this place? Marina coming soon. Yeah, I'll just go out here. Marina coming soon. So guys, there's some 3-bedroom, full sunset and ocean view. Guys, I will tell you, I stayed in Jaco one time, and our friends were actually up in a condo, like at the top level of a condo, and the sunset was actually really incredible. And watching a lightning storm off in the distance was really cool too. So here's the beach. You're pretty busy. We're gonna go do a live water test. I'm gonna risk it. Risk it for the old biscuit. We got a red flag up. Wow. So maybe not gonna see anybody surfing. That's interesting. I don't know at what level does red flag come out. Oh wait, I think there's people over there. So, oh yeah, there's lots of people surfing. What am I talking about? I just saw those birds over there. They appeared to be the only surfers. Let's go down there. Look at that big condo. So it looks like there's gonna be another condo right here. The condo that I was watching from was that one right there, that big kind of white one with the curvy roof. One of those ones over there. One of the 3 over there. So again, facing down this way, we're facing towards the south. And the waves get progressively calmer down there. In fact, what I'll do is I'll walk down there so we can fly the drone. Oh, cool, man. There's people surfing. That's great. That's great. That's excellent. There's looks like some kind of restaurant thing going on right there. This is good. It's windy, so the drone's going to be sweating to get up there. There's some horsies. I like horsies. That's pretty cool. You can do a horse back thing down here. Horse ride. So this is all gravel here. Yeah, Jaco Beach, pretty gravelly. It's a pretty gravelly beach. Let's go do the live water test with the old water shoes. Look at how murky it is. I don't think people surfing necessarily are too concerned about the murkiness of the water from what I've seen. I like clear water. I like swimming and just relaxing. So there you go. There's another horse tour coming. So let's see what the water looks like. Let's see what the water looks like right now. Coming in. Okay. All right. Not bad. Not bad. And how is it? Ooh, it's cold. Yeah, it's pretty cold. It is pretty cold. Yeah, I like that. That is refreshing. Cool. Let's walk a little bit up the way here. Check out that horse tour coming in. Yeah, that's not bad. These two are that body. I don't know if that's bodyboards or surfboards. I don't know what's going on. I don't know much. Cool. You know what? Let's go get set up there in the chair. We'll put the drone out and check out what Jaco looks like from the air. And we're off. There's that comfy chair I got. I love that chair. Here's a little horse tour that was wandering along the beach just as I started filming. Seems like a really popular activity here in Jaco to jump on a horse and walk along the beach. There's a little wide shot of Jaco itself. That big building off to the right side is where we're sitting, and it's where the walking tour ended. You can see the mountains off in the distance there. There's a closer shot of that same building. You can see off to the north here. That's where the waves start getting a little bit more spicy in that direction. Lots going on down there as well. You can see a lot of condos, a lot of accommodations options. Here's down towards the south of the beach. That's the easier end for surfing. You can actually see the waves are a little bit calmer as they break in. Down in that direction, there's a lot of short-term accommodations options as well, hotels and stuff like that, with varying distances from the beach. Now, I went out in the water and I was trying to film some surfing. And what I found is that surfing is actually not so much standing on the board, but just sitting on it waiting for a wave. So it is kind of hard to get some cool shots with the drone. Here's one person got up on the board. I appreciate the effort. The athleticism, I certainly can't do anything like that. Here's some more people. They got some good waves, surfs, breaks up, dude. This is a pretty good one. These guys got on the board. This guy went the distance, and he was digging in there. I like it. Doing some cool moves before he biffed. That's nice. That's where I'd start right there where that guy's standing. Here's a little bit wider shot. You can see surfers down in the water there. The water clears up obviously out as you get further away from the shore. And if you're curious, the drone I'm using, guys, is a DJI Mini 3 Pro. The link is in the description below if you're interested in flying a drone and getting some cool shots. We'll finish it off with just a little pan along the beach here. There's a lifeguard station down further towards the north of the beach. Lots of surf shops down here, lots of people hanging out, chilling on the beach. Super nice beach, super nice day as well. I appreciate the overcast skies. All right, guys, so there you have it. Walkie-talkie tour and a little drone flight here in Jaco, Costa Rica. Definitely cool beach, nice overcast right now, so it's not as hot out. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to hit subscribe, hit like here on YouTube. As always, leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Check the links in the description below for the stuff that I use, like this bag, like the drone, like the water shoes, and like the chair that I'm sitting on right now. It's super convenient to bring a chair around so you don't got to sit on the ant stubs. A lot of times I'll sit on those things, get covered in ants. So I'm going to start taking this chair around with me. Super convenient. Anyway, guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.